What is web hosting? Not to be confused with domain hosting. Web hosting is having your website files sent to a server to be hosted on the internet. When you buy a web host, you are essentially renting a physical part of the server that contains your website. There are 3 different types of web hosting services available to you. There is shared, virtual, and dedicated. Shared is exactly what it sounds like. You share a server with other websites. This is great for small businesses that don't expect a huge amount of traffic. The only downside is, sometimes a surge of traffic to the server could crash your website. Virtual is an upgrade to shared. There are less websites hosted, meaning you won't be sharing resources with a lot of people. And you won't have to worry about traffic surges taking you out of commission either. Dedicated servers mean, you guessed it, you get your very own dedicated server. This is normally used by big companies expecting a high amount of traffic. As they have their own server, they can take as much traffic as they can handle. Have a question? Enter it in the comments below, or feel free to visit our website.